everybody, today we're looking at how can EFT actually help you reduce everyday stress and particularly overwhelm. Now, I highly recommend actually going and watching Gary Craig, the founder, his video on YouTube. It's very easily accessible on how EFT works and what it's about. And what they've done is they've actually taken this, they've used blood tests to actually show that where they've taken blood tests of somebody who is overwhelmed and who is feeling emotionally unbalanced. They've done a few of the processes of EFT, and then they've done another blood test afterwards, and they've gone from clogged blood corpuscles into flowing. And the whole point is it's like acupuncture, just without the needles. And whenever you're putting needles in certain places and areas to help release certain pressures and areas in the actual body, just by stimulating and doing that tapping helps that and reduces that overwhelm. I highly recommend going and just watching the video, the information video. We've used this with many children, many adults, just to help get the body back in flow and balance out emotions.